about lines, shapes, and colors. So I hope you're going to listen so you can answer your worksheet correctly. So let's start. Now let's move on with our lesson for today about visual art. Again, visual art. So before we start, let us read vocabulary for today's lesson. Number 1 is vertical. Again, vertical. Very good. Number 2, we have horizontal. Again, horizontal. Number 3, we have diagonal. Diagonal. Number 4, we have spiral. Spiral. Okay. Number 5, the last one, dots. Dots. Okay, very good. Those are your vocabulary for this topic. Okay, now let's move on with our lesson. Basic elements. Again, basic elements. Okay, so what are your basic elements? Let's start with your lines, shapes, and colors. Okay, again, lines, shapes, colors. Okay, next, we're going to start with lines first. Okay, what are the kinds of line? The first one is vertical lines. Okay, these are your vertical lines. Okay, from up, down. Okay, now let's see how do we write vertical lines. Okay, let's watch this one. Up, down. Okay, let's see. One more time. Up, down. Okay, so those are your vertical lines. Okay, do not forget. Okay, next line is the horizontal lines. Again, horizontal lines. Very good. Okay, so what are your horizontal lines? This one are your horizontal lines. How do we write horizontal lines? So, from right to left or left to right, that's right. Okay, so how do we write? Let's see. Okay, follow the lines. You're going to write a straight line. Okay, next, final. Okay, so those are your horizontal lines. Okay, next line is your diagonal lines. Again, diagonal lines. Okay, so what are your diagonal lines? These are your diagonal lines. Slanting lines. Slanting lines. Okay, so how do we write? Let's follow or let's try to trace lines from slanting side downwards. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so that's your diagonal lines. Okay, next line is or the dots. Okay, cool. So we have small dots. You can do dots with your pencil only. Okay, the other one example or the other example is this one. Okay, we have small dots. We have big dots. Okay. Next line is your curved lines. So what are your curved lines? Let's take a look at some examples of your curved lines. Okay, let's look at this one. We have this one. We have this one. Curved lines. That's not zigzag. May zigzag na ka. Okay, it has a curve. These are your curved line. This part. Okay. Next curved line. Okay, this one. Okay, those are your examples of your curved lines. Okay, Mai? Next line is the spiral lines. How do we draw spiral lines? Okay, this one are your spiral lines. You're going to start with the center or the here, and then you're going to just follow some lines. You're going to do it like this, okay? Another, we have thicker spiral lines, and we have this kind of spiral lines. Okay? So those are your spiral lines. Spiral lines. Okay. Oh, we also have this one. And the last one, we have zigzag lines. Okay, so those are your zigzag lines. We have small kind of zigzag. We have big ones. For the last one, this one. Okay, we have irregular zigzag, diagonal zigzag, vertical zigzag. Okay, so those are your zigzag lines. Now let's move all to shapes. Okay, shapes. What are the shapes here? Okay, let's start with this first word. What shape is this? What shape is this? This is your square. Okay, next we have rectangle, triangle, we have oval, and the last one we have circle. Okay, good job. Next shapes, we have star. Okay, star. We have crescent. We have trapezoid, and cross, and for the last one, heart. Okay, again, let's repeat. These are your shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, oval, circle, star, crescent, trapezoid, cross, and a heart. Okay, very good. Next, let's move on to colors. Let's take a look at your colors. We have here red, blue, purple. We have yellow. We have pink. We have green. Okay, and we have orange. Okay, we have the last one, brown. Okay, very good. So those are your basic elements. So we are going to move on with our worksheet for today. Let's take a look at your worksheets. Okay, let's go. So in your worksheet, we are going to write first your nickname. And in pasangkit na ka, write nickname in pasangkit. You're going to write also the date when you're going to answer your worksheet na ka. Okay, so first topic, visual art. We discussed that one a while ago. And then test 1, what to do. Okay, so what to do? Draw what is asked. Draw at least 5 lines in each box. Okay, so again, draw what is asked. Draw at least 5 lines in each box. Okay, so what to do? First, let's read first the words given here. Okay, what are those words? Number 1, vertical lines. Okay, vertical lines. 2, horizontal lines. 3, diagonal lines. 4, dots. 5, curved lines. 6, spiral lines. 7, zigzag lines. Okay, so what to do? Okay, I want you to draw vertical lines, 5 lines, 5 times 5 lines. Okay, so let's try to do number 1. And then you follow naka, okay? We're going to draw vertical line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I want you to write correctly, write beautiful, okay? So same as here, here, and here, okay? So just draw 5 lines each. Now let's move on to our next test. Okay, so what to do? I want you to read to know the colors of each shapes, okay? Read to know the colors of each shape. 2. Circle the correct name of each shape. Okay, so let's try. Read to know the color of each shape. 2. Circle the correct name of each shape. So what to do? Here, you are going to read first this one. So what color is that? That's red. So I want you to color this picture red naka. Okay, my red. Okay, so what shape is this? What shape is this? Is this a square or triangle? Okay, so the answer is square. So you're going to circle your answer and then you're going to color the box with color red. Okay, red. Okay, you need to color it beautiful. It's up to you, okay? Let's color with red. Okay, so there you go. Next, number 2 is purple. What color is that? Purple. Okay, let's read purple. So you're going to color this shape, color purple. Okay, so you're going to choose between square or rectangle if what shape is this naka. Okay? So did you understand? I hope you're going to answer your worksheet correctly. See you again next time and have a good day. Goodbye!